Good morning to you all. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Children, don't move here and there, and please keep yourself safe. So, children, will read today the rest part of the Little Fir Tree. Children, before it, we learned that Shetty the magician granted the little fir tree to complete his any four wishes. Now we will read after it. So please take out page number 25 of your English book and please read with me. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Children, the fir tree thought about its situation and he was very sad. Why he was sad? Because it had needle like leaves, and because of this no birds ever made their nests on it. So it was very sad. So it wished for green leaves like his other friends. Read with me, children. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So, children, what happened in the next morning? Its wish was granted, means its wish was completed, and it saw its leaves was as soft as his other friends, other trees. So soon after, what happened? A goat came. You know about a goat? Have you seen a goat? So a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. You know, children, goats love eating green leaves. So children, it ate all the green leaves of the fir tree. So it said, oh dear, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. Now it wished for gold leaves. Firstly, it wished for green leaves and soft leaves, and then after it wished for gold leaves. So, children, I stop here, you all, so that I can show you some of the picture related to this story. Children, firstly I would like to show you the leaves of the fir tree. You may see on the screen the leaves of the fir tree. It is exactly like needles. Have you seen needles? Needles means the things, needle like means the things which have pointed ending. I hope everyone has seen needles at home. So you may compare the shape of the leaves of fir tree with it. Now, you may do a comparison between two types of leaves. One is of little fir tree and this soft leaves of other plants. So have you seen a goat? And how a goat eats the leaves of the plants? You may see some goats are eating, they are grazing in the field and they are eating the leaves of some plants. So children, now the fir tree wished for gold leaves. Have you seen gold leaves? It may be like this, of golden color, and they are made of gold. You know about gold, children? It's a precious metal. So children, we'll again start reading. So read with me, children. We are on page number 25. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. Ah, I wish I had gold leaves instead. Beg your pardon. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. So, children, before it what happened, the tree was very happy to see the gold leaves. And it was surprised. You know the meaning of surprised? Surprised means astonished, means something that you didn't expected. So, children, the tree was very surprised. The fir tree was very happy now to see its gold leaves. Till what happened? A man came along and stole all the gold leaves. Gold, you know, precious, and some persons steal it. So, children, now it had no leaves. So, again it wished that he had glass leaves instead, so that men do not steal glass leaves. So what happened next day? It had glass leaves and it all shone in the bright sun. So the tree said, how happy I am, it again said. So please read with me, children. At night the wind blew, woo, all the glass leaves broke. So children, you know that when the wind blows, so it breaks the delicate items like glass. So what happened at night? The wind blew and all the glass leaves broke. So I stop here, children, to show some of the pictures related to this story. So children, they are thieves, you know. They steal the precious items like gold and money. And have you seen the blowing of wind? It moves the tree, children. So, children, we return to page number 26. So everyone, please take out page number 26. The next page. Children, please read with me. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle like leaves. Best for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. So children, now the fir tree realized, oh dear. So he realized that its needle-like leaves was the best for itself, as goats do not eat them and no one can steal them and the wind will do not do any harm. So children, the tree realized what it had was the best. Read with me, children. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. Now tree was very happy. When it woke up in the morning, children, it saw that it had all its needle-like leaves back again. So the tree was very happy. So children, in the starting, when the magician granted to complete its any four wishes, the tree realized that it had needle-like leaves and it was not good. But in last, the tree realized that what it had was the best for itself. So children, in our life, we can apply and we can think about it. So children, this story forces us to realize that whatever we have, we must happy with it. And children, we should not think about what others have. We should be happy with what we have. And we should be happy with our own situations. Children, you may think that suppose you don't have any bike, and when you see your friends having bikes, cars, so you think, alas, I should have such type of cars and bikes. But children, please be happy with what you have. You may see many people in the society which do not have even proper food, and they don't get proper food for 2 times. So children, at least our situations are far better than them. So children, we should be happy with what we have, and we should try to get anything with our labor. We should not steal other persons. What we have, we should happy, and we should try our best to get something with our labor, with our hard work. So children, that's all about the story, and we should apply it in our life, and we should be happy with what we have. So children, please write the new words and its meanings, and please write a page handwriting beautifully, and you may draw the picture of a fir tree, or you can paste the picture of a fir tree from any source. And that's all for today. Thank you all.